Remove console cover plate and remove radio. Remove ignition switch assembly without disconnecting wiring and position it in the radio opening. Insert key and turn switch to the run position. With a small screwdriver, press release button on the bottom of the ignition switch assembly and remove the lock cylinder assembly. Line up tab and slot on back of lock cylinder. Locate and press release button on back of lock cylinder. Remove lock cylinder from case, making sure to keep release button and spring pointing up to prevent it from falling out of the cylinder. Discard old lock cylinder case. Line up new lock cylinder case tab with slot in case. Press release button on lock cylinder to get it started and insert lock cylinder until it snaps in place. Return lock cylinder assembly to ignition switch assembly. Align and insert until it snaps in place. Key can now be turned and removed. After assembly, the vehicle must learn the security code on the new sensor. To do this, simply attempt to start the vehicle. If it starts immediately and the security light goes out after a few seconds, the new sensor and old sensor share the same code and the repair is done. If the vehicle does not start or starts and immediately stalls, the vehicle has to learn the new code. Simply leave the key in the on position immediately after attempting to start the vehicle until the security light on the dash stops flashing. This could take up to 10 minutes. When the light stops flashing, turn the key to the off position and wait 10 seconds. Attempt to start the vehicle again, and the security light should go out after a few seconds once the vehicle has started.